In this exercise, we make use of 3 different wall heights. So my model on the left hand side, if I select the wall, can you confirm my base height is 2720. On the right hand side, I've got a base height of 3000, and then my rondable has got a base height of 2500. So here comes the enhancement with the roof command. So on the left hand side, I'm going to click on the roof command. Now you may notice that there's 2 new buttons added to the dialog. We always had up to Caddie 29, the calculate the height. Set the height from the last known wall height. So that means it looks at your last wall setting. So if I'm going to go to the wall command, and I'm just going to make something ridiculous here. Let's say 1500, just so you can see it looks at your wall height. I'm going to set it to 1500. I'm going to say OK. If I click on the roof command, I'm going to make use of the command that says set the height from the last known wall height. Now you'll see that my base height will change to 1500. And then you've got the last one that says pick from existing wall. Now that's handy because when you open a drawing, maybe from somebody else, you don't know what is the wall height. Instead of going select the wall, double check on the object properties, now I can just go top view. I go to my roof command and I'm going to make use of that dropper. It says pick from existing wall. I'm going to indicate my wall and it picks it up. My base height is 3000. So I'm going to say OK and I'm going to do the roof. Then I can press space bar. And I say again, pick from existing wall. It's going to be for my rondable. I'm going to say OK. And now this is a different height of 2500. Space bar. As you can see, 2500. Click on that dropper. Use this wall. Base height is 2720. Say OK. And we do the roof. So at the end of the day, you don't have to double check the wall height. When you're doing your roof commands, you can just make use either the picker, or if you're busy with a project, Caddie will get the wall height from your existing wall settings.